back to Horsepower Hobby. I am Jay, and in today's video, guys, I know this actual intro, or the way I'm actually introducing this video, is a little bit different from the way I normally do things on the channel, but I actually filmed a whole entire video, and the video itself is, the sound quality is not the best. I didn't know that on the day that I actually filmed this video, the wind noises were just crazy, and so I've edited it and tried to get out as much of the wind noises as I could in the actual video. But we all know that if you're a content creator and you're creating content nowadays, especially with, being quarantined or whatever is going on in the world, being on lockdown, with all the stuff that's going on, that any content that you create is like gold, in my opinion. So I tried my best to salvage this content to get the best to you all. So what you're going to hear me talk about in this next couple of clips is the actual Corvette and the overheating issues that I believe we've gotten whipped. Like I said, fingers crossed, guys. I hope that those issues there are behind us so that we can move on in bigger and better things, so that we can start doing some customizing to the actual lambvette. So check it out. I did purchase the Vette.
Horsepower Hobby.
Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. I am Jay. Yeah, I was sitting in the house and was just thinking to myself, I'm bored. Just got the lambvette fixed. Why not take it for a spin, yeah? So as you can see, I had to get out of the house. Got the lambvette. About to hop in it and try to cruise a little bit. I'm still testing it, still in the testing phases, y'all. I want to make sure that this thing is actually repaired. Make sure that we're having no issues with it here lately. Make sure that it's not running hot. Everything so far is going good. I haven't had any issues, and actually I may have spoken too soon. Let's take a look at it. Looking for the leak under here. The wind is blowing a little bit. I do apologize for the wind, but I believe it was just dripping from the AC box. There goes those windshield wipers, y'all. Still need to figure that issue out. Let's see. Let's go to reset. So yeah, still sitting at 190, so I'm not sure what's going on. Let's fire this beast up. So I do need to change that oil. Like we have some dirty oil in the system. I need to check the level as well to make sure that it's still good. But it is indeed due for an oil change. So I did buy the stuff not long ago to be able to change that oil. Just need to get the car up in the air and drain the old oil, change the filter, and get some fresh oil in it, yeah. But in the meantime, let's take this thing for a spin. And yes, we do have the top down, yeah. That's the view from up there. Officer in the back there, so we'll make sure we do our best to stay out of trouble. So I have driven the lambvette and still no issues. So we can see temperature is still cooling like it's supposed to. Man, it's an absolutely amazing day out here. It's a perfect day to have the top down. Sun's not beaming on your head. As you can see, and everything seems just perfect. So I'll get out and just look around the lambvette, make sure nothing crazy is going on. Don't see anything crazy. Touch up these calipers soon, yeah. I'm actually thinking of a different scheme as far as the wheels go. Thinking about doing something different there, maybe, I don't know, maybe black the wheels out or something, I don't know, just something different. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comment section below. Should I black these wheels out? This thing is currently cooling at 199. The highest I've seen it get is 201. There it is right there, because the car is off. See if it'll focus on it. Uh-oh. is 201. And that's because, like I said, the car's off, fans are not running. But what I actually did is stop and got some oil. Gonna try to put a little quart of oil in this thing. See if we can get that low oil level light to go off. Don't want to cause any issues there. And like I said, the plan is to change the oil in it ASAP. The oil needs to be changed as soon as possible. Just waiting on some really good weather. I guess I probably could have got under there today, but wanted to take a ride. Just really wanted to get out of the house today. This thing is just at the add mark, so that's not too bad. I was just hoping that it wasn't completely depleted, so I just add this quart and that should do the trick on that. Oil level light is still on, but I believe if I hit clear, let's see if it'll pop back up as we cruise. Because the oil level is now perfect. It's right in that little the little area. I don't know what you call it, the crosshatch area, I guess is what it's called. I'm not sure. But anyway, so it's the perfect level. It's closer to the top end of that area. So I don't think that we should be having any low oil lights come on now. But I'm gonna continue just to cruise, continue just to enjoy as much as this day that I can. We got the oil, we're looking good on fuel. I had to stop and get a phone charger so my phone doesn't die. But other than that, I mean, continue just to enjoy the day, trying to stay safe, trying to stay within 6 feet of people. As you can see, nobody's around me, nobody's with me. So let's see what lights we have on now. We got low washer fluid, can't seem to get that one to go off. I believe the pump inside or the sensor or whatever is bad on that. And that's it. Just had to pull over, getting ready to put the top back on. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit. Slightly drizzling on us. Probably can't see it from the outside. Let's see if you can see it from the inside there. And you can see it a little bit. But yeah, so since it's starting to drizzle, we're going to put the top back on and start heading back. A nice little area where we kind of pulled up and took some shots here. Got the water in the background. Let's see if I can reposition the car to get some with the water in the background there. But yeah, man, the car did phenomenal. We put the oil in it. The oil light is off now. Don't forget to comment what we should do with these rims. Should we paint them black? I'm curious to see what your answers are. I do like the chrome look, but I'm wanting to change it up a little bit. I want to do something different. Here we go. Feels good to be back in the lambvette, yeah. In the rain, it's like it really didn't want to come. I might have put the top on for no reason, yeah. Maybe want to just pull over and drop it down again, but it'll just be my luck. I get the top back off and it starts pouring down raining. Nope, I don't do curves. So I must admit, after being cooped up in the house for the last couple of days, that was very, very therapeutic. But the lambvette rode amazing, no issues at all. I put the oil in it to top it off. For some reason that oil or low oil light is still on. It wasn't that low, in my opinion. I guess the best thing I can do at this point is go ahead and change the oil, and hopefully it'll reset the system once I go in and change it, reset the oil life, I guess. So that's next on the agenda for the lambvette. I also got a few cosmetic things that I want to take care of. Not sure which one to start on first, but as soon as I start on it, y'all will be the first to know. But got some things that I want to do. I'm still trying to figure out if I can order in some supplies to be able to do. I got something that I want to do that would be kind of an extreme makeover for this car, but I'm not sure if I can do it just yet because waiting to see if I can get the supplies in. So I will not speak on it until then. Don't want to get you guys' hopes up, and don't want to get my hopes up as well. But I'm hoping I can get those parts in or get the supplies in the way I can do so and make this thing look 100% amazing. But like I said, overall it rode fantastically. I even got on it a few times, and it gave me no hiccups at all. I think the highest temperature I seen was 203, and then the fans kicked on and cooled it back down. So, and of course we were cruising pretty high speeds, 50 and above rather. I'm not gonna say high, but 50 above definitely. So I don't know, I can't ask for anything better. Like I said, we got it to Houston. We got it fixed. We're able to cruise the streets of Houston with the top off. I'm happy.